Here I have ASUS ROG gaming phone, and let me show you how to set up date and time on the following device. So at the very beginning, you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to scroll down and tap on System, and under the System you should select Date and Time. Here you have two possibilities. You can either have an automatic date and time, or you can switch it off. And now you can set the date and time manually by yourself. You can also change automatic time zone. Just tap on the switcher to switch it off, and then you can select time zone by yourself. So for example, let me pick Colombo. And the very last option is changing 24-hour format clock to 12 standard one, 12-hour format clock. So just tap on this switcher, and now your clock is in 12-hour format. Obviously you can go back to automatic date and time, just tap on this switcher, and also automatic time zone. So your device will set it up automatically according to network provided time. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.